To other news, Agriculture Minister Pernell Charles Jr. has sent a warning to farm thieves that he will be doing all he can to stop them from continuing to wreak havoc on farmers. At a recent agriculture show in St. Ann, he spoke of tougher fines and jail time for convicted predial larcenists. More from Krista Campbell.
We're going to be very quiet. We're going to act like thief in the night when we come for you.
A tough-talking Pernell Charles Jr. at the St. Ann Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show on Thursday. He wants to be the agriculture minister who finally puts a lid on predial larceny, which continues to cost the industry millions in losses. And so his message is direct.
All of you thieves who come and thieving out the people yam and thieving out the people's sweet pepper and hot pepper, you're going to get catch. And when you get catch, we're going to make sure you go to jail if you make it to jail.
He says he's pushing for fines of up to $5 million for convicted farm thieves. And he stressed that with his background as a former criminal prosecutor and in the National Security Ministry, he has the skills to put together an airtight case to secure convictions. Plus, he's got a solid team working to get it done.
And I'm going to be working with specialists locally and internationally to make sure that we're not just locking up the small thief, but I want to catch a big thief so that we send a big message. That is because the whole heap of cattle and goat where you're thieving, you now sell it to your community. But I know who you're selling it to.
He noted that the government is spending big to improve agricultural production with specific focus on reducing the cost of fertilizer. He says the Agriculture Ministry will be collaborating with local producers of organic fertilizers.
When you have the goat and the chicken, when they have their manure, we use that organic produce to help fertilize the crop and go around in a cycle. Nothing should be wasted in Jamaica. Anything that you used to call waste, we want to find a place for it in the sustainable development cycle.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.